What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing AJ Alpaca plush from Roblox Piggy. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, go all the way around toward the bottom, and then just pull that back up towards the top. I want to leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Now I'm going to draw two smaller circles along the inside. We're going to pull this towards the inside of the eyes. So let's start on the left, go all the way around the eye, and then back in. And then we'll line that up on the right side, going all the way around and then in. Now on the outside of each pupil, draw a small oval for a highlight. Just line it up on the right. Now I switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of the pupils. You want to go around those highlights. Now in between the eyes along the bottom, we draw a larger circle for the muzzle. Start underneath the left eye, go all the way around, up towards the right eye, and then closing off the top. Now in the middle across the top, we draw a curve for the top edge of the nose. Curve this down and then in towards the center point. From that center point, draw a straight line coming down. Let's surround the face with some detail. We're going to start right in the middle. Let's start with a point. Go up and out toward the left and right like a V. Go back to the left side, come down on top of the right eye, and then the left. Go up and then out. Now I'm going to work our way around the side of the face. Let's come down along the outside of the eyes. Angle this up and then out. And then come down and out. Let's work our way in towards the side, come down and in just underneath the eyes. Draw a short line coming down and out. Now I want to close off the bottom with a curve, starting on the left, coming down just underneath the muzzle, go across and then back up. Let's go up to the top and draw the bottom edge of the hat brim. We're going to start on the left, curve this up and then down. Let's round out the ends and then pull this up towards the hat. Let's add another curve from left to right. Now going back to the left side, let's draw the top of the hat on the left, going up, go across, and then down. Now we're going to add that detail along the center of the hat, starting over on the left, bend this up and in, do the same thing on the right. Go back to the left side, curve this up, and then down. From the side of the hat brim, we're going to draw a large circle going underneath the chin and then back up. But we're going to add these little bumps to add a texture along the way. So let's start on the left side. So these little bumps, just following a circle going around the face, coming in towards the chin. Now I'm going to work our way around the right side, doing the same thing. Let's add in the ears, starting from the top of the head, bend this down and out. Do the same thing on the right. Let's round up the tip of the ear, come down and then in toward the side of the head. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the side of the body. We're going to start over on the left side, bend the body going out and then down towards the hip. Move over towards the right, do the same thing coming down towards the same height. Now close off the hips with a curve. Now I want to trace that same curve along the top of the belt, from left to right. Need a gap in the center, draw two lines, one on the left and then one on the right. Let's go all the way up in the center and draw two lines coming down. Flatten off the bottom, and we'll add in the collar, going back up to the top, come down and out. And then we'll angle this up toward the top of the body. Over on the right side of the chest, draw a straight line going across, angle this down. Now I'm going to take this and flip it over across the bottom. Coming down and in, and we'll flatten that off. Let's go back to the belt buckle. We're going to step down, add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, we're going to bend the leg, going out and then down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now I want to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side. Coming down and up. Now we're going to go back to the left side and curve the top of the foot like a half circle, going up. And we'll bend that down towards the inside. Let's go back up to the hips. We're going to draw the outside leg, bend this out, and then down on top of the feet. Now in the center of the leg, we're going to add a curve, coming down and up. Now we move up and draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway between the chin and the bottom of the belt. So we're going to start the arm right here, bend this out, and then down towards the wrist. Line it up on the right. Now I'm going to curve the wrist, going out and then up. Let's follow this curve along the outside, going up and then in underneath the head. Let's go to the top of the arm on the inside, add the sleeve, going out and then up. Now I'm going to draw two circles for the hands, starting from the outside of the wrist, going all the way around, and then up on the inside. Let's do the same thing on the right. And we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw AG Alpaca plush from Roblox Piggy. Every week, I send out free sketch workshops to our newsletter subscribers. These are private lessons you won't find anywhere else. It's completely free to join, just click the link in the description, and I'll see you on the inside.